Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about the cheapest and most efficient way to buy HEX on the market right now. So stick around because I know there's a lot of problems with people not being able to buy HEX because of these crazy high Ethereum gas fees. And unfortunately that's just across the board. You know, every cryptocurrency that's an ERC20 token is going to have that. But I'll tell you how to buy HEX in the most efficient way I know for now. And stick around till the end because I'll tell you why you want to buy HEX now rather than wait for the fees to come down. There's a reason coming at the end. So first of all, guys, you're going to log on to Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase account, just get one, set it up, and increase your limits, connect your bank accounts and all that. Because it's really the most efficient way to buy Ethereum and USDC, right? So once you finally have your account, you're going to go buy, and you definitely want to click on not Bitcoin, but Ethereum or US dollar coin right here. Now, you're going to need to fund your MetaMask account with some Ethereum before you go any farther because you have to pay for gas fees no matter what. Unfortunately, there's no way around that. You just have to do it. So if you're a first-time buyer, you're going to want to buy Ethereum and pay for HEX using Ethereum. If you're a second-time buyer and you've already got some Ethereum in your wallet to pay for gas, I highly recommend US dollar coin because look, guys, I can buy, let's say, $100 of US dollar coin and preview the buy. And look, the Coinbase fee is $0. Look right there. So Coinbase doesn't actually charge a fee for US dollar coin, whereas it charges a 1.5% fee if you try to buy Ethereum. So just as an example, let's say I try to buy that same $100 worth of Ethereum. We preview that buy, and it's going to be, not too expensive, but $3 fee, right? And the more money you buy, the more expensive it is because it's a percentage. So keep that in mind, guys. So when you're a first-time buyer, you're going to want to do Ethereum on Coinbase. Second-time buyer, you're going to want to do USDC. Now, after you have your ETH or USDC in your MetaMask wallet, you should already have MetaMask wallet from the Google Chrome extension. And once you have that, you just pull up your MetaMask account and you send the money that you just bought from Coinbase to your MetaMask address. So you just send it right here. And just as an example right here, what you're going to want to do is when you have MetaMask pulled up, just copy your account to the clipboard by clicking copy right here. And go to send and receive and just send it to yourself, right? You're sending it to your own wallet. You just need to make sure you get it out of Coinbase and into MetaMask. So you copy paste your address here. You can type a message if you want and send however much Ethereum you want to into your MetaMask account. All right. So that's pretty straightforward. Once you have the ETH or USDC in your wallet, you can hop over to hex.com. It's right on the homepage. And it's really easy, guys. You just connect your wallet to this widget. This is a Uniswap widget. It's just a different front end for Uniswap, so you're just using that. And you're going to want to make sure you connect your MetaMask. And I'm automatically connected. So if you've ever connected before, it'll be automatic. Otherwise, you'll approve a free transaction to just, give view-only access to your wallet right here. Now, let's say I have, 0.7 ETH and I want to transfer all of that into HEX. I can do that right now and just click the swap button. And just like any other MetaMask transaction, there will be a little box that comes up and it'll ask you to confirm your swap and it'll ask you to pay for gas fees. So as you can see, guys, right here, the gas fees are pretty outrageous, right? $70. So if you're not buying over $70 or $100 worth of HEX right now, it's not going to be very feasible. But stick around because I'll tell you why you might be interested in still doing that anyway. It's really, really awesome. Big things coming for HEX in particular out of all the other cryptos. So I'm going to reject that for now because I don't actually want to buy right now, but that's how you would do it, guys. You just go ahead and confirm your swap right there, right on the hex.com homepage. It's very, very simple. And then, you can hop over to go.hex.com. You can do all your staking and whatever else because HEX is meant to be staked, guys. It's a staking coin. But anyway, guys, you can buy HEX with ETH or with USDC. So if you ever wanted to switch to USDC, just look that up in the table there. And, I don't have any USDC right now, but that's actually a more efficient way to buy HEX is actually just sending your USDC directly into MetaMask and going to hex.com and clicking buy right there. Now, why would you want to buy now despite these crazy high gas fees? Well, guys, one thing that the HEX founder is doing right now that's solving a real problem, which is a problem for everybody, right? It's actually solving a global problem across all of Ethereum. So the HEX founder, Richard Hart, is creating something called Pulse Chain. And if you haven't heard of it by now, Pulse Chain is going to be basically a fork of Ethereum with nearly free fees and almost instantaneous transactions. So the fees are going to be dirt cheap and the transactions are going to be, estimated from as fast as 3-second block times, okay? So you can see right on the homepage of hex.com, Richard Hart is creating a new ETH fork with lower fees. It has nothing to do with HEX at all, so any project can build on this new ETH fork. So it's going to drag a lot more attention onto not only HEX, but Pulse Chain as a token as well. So, if you want to know what that's all about, you can hop over to the Telegram. You can click the link right there and just, go over to the Telegram, see what people are talking about, or you can go to pulsechain.com. But if we go to pulsechain.com, you could see, coming soon, guys, a PulseChain cheaper, faster, fee-burning Ethereum fork. So it's going to be cheap and fast, really just the way crypto is supposed to be, and it's going to be awesome. But why do you want to make sure you get your buys and stakes in right now? That's because when PulseChain actually happens, you're basically going to have a duplicate copy of all of your HEX on Ethereum and all of your HEX on this PulseChain. Now, it's not going to be a simply doubling of your money, but if we assume that the value of HEX on ETH and the value of the version of HEX on PulseChain maintains some value that's greater than the original value, well, you can make anywhere between like 1.1 to 1.5x on your money just by holding at the time of the fork, right? So that's why you're going to want to get your stakes in. It's really big news. And PulseChain, again, is not specifically for HEX. It's for everybody that wants cheap fees, fast transactions, and it's solving a global problem. But, HEX stakers are of the first people to know about it. So luckily, this is some insider info that if you stake now, and right now the time estimates of PulseChain are about, 4 to maybe 8 months in the future. But anytime you buy right now, between now and then, as long as you're staked out for longer than a year or two, I think that's a pretty safe bet that you're going to be staked at least until PulseChain comes out. And hopefully you should be staking much longer than that as well. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed learning about how to get the cheapest route of buying HEX currently right now. And get excited for PulseChain. Get excited for the fork because it's a way to potentially double the quantity of HEX that you hold when the snapshot of that fork takes place. So thanks everybody, and I'll see you on the next video.